on the document that they are floating around has been cancelled or shows that there is a cancellation. Whenever the land office cancels any title number, we do countersigning. I will give this information as I indicate to you what we are working on or we are hoping to work on. And the title given an it is not possible for the government to watch something going wrong, and because we are the custodians of your records, you must be able to feel confident and trust that the government will take care of your land, your property, and your records. And therefore, what I'm going to state here regarding this land is the records we have at the land office, and any person thereafter, when I say what I will say, can then come and visit me and bring records contrary to what I will read. In consultation with my officers within the Land State Department, I want to say that we have a story regarding land reference number 5000 IR 172 788 so far as being flashed out. But in very clear terms, the land reference in issue is Ruiru East Block 4. This is the land we are talking about. And you can see it has sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, and 5. The entire of that is the 2,550 acres. That is the parcel known as the LM 5000. Obviously, that land number has been subdivided into quarter acres and into 3 1/4 acres. And those titles are within my registry here, and they are good titles. They are authentic titles. What has happened, and bear with me because there are several documents, what has happened is this. We have taken note of some people who have come up with a title, an IR number 172, an IR number 72811, which on the document that they are floating around has been cancelled or shows that there is a cancellation. Whenever the land office cancels any title number, we do countersigning. I will give this information as I indicate to you what we are working on or we are hoping to work on. And the title given another number, IR 172-788. I said they initially started with IR 72811 for the entire block, and then found that may not work, cancelled it, and came up with IR 172-788. So as of today, the documents being floated around, and a copy was forwarded to me. I will not say by who, but in some official capacity, other than the land office. That title belongs, let's start with the 72811 so that the members of the press can understand. Is a property land, is for property land reference number 2951/343, situated in the city of Nairobi, measuring 0.4063 hectares I mean 0.4063 over a hectare or hectares. That is slightly more than an acre. This property is currently registered in the name of Evangelical Mission for Africa. So that number belongs to another parcel of land. And we are talking about that number being brought to the land for Ruiru East Block 4. But there is in existence another parcel measuring the acreage that I have given, belonging to Evangelical Mission. That on the other hand, according to the title register, IR 172-788 was issued to property land reference number 5180-1, which title number was later cancelled and assigned a new number, IR. When we say IR, they are RTA numbers, Land Registration of Titles Act. IR 173204, registered on 22nd March 2016 in the name of William Gateru Wagura and 6 others. This property is situated in south of Nanyuki Township. Nanyuki Township, Nyeri District, Nyeri County, and is contained by measurement of 4.333 hectares, that is 4.333 over hectares, and a copy of title has been attached here to confirm that the said IR 172-788, and I'm repeating this number because it's the number that is with some fraudsters outside there who wants to claim Ruiru East Block 4. The number they are floating there is IR 172-788, which has been reissued, has not been reissued. Si nimesema it was for another parcel. Yes. That number is, what do I call it? It's dormant. We are not using that number, and it's not been reissued to any other title, or assigned to any other property, and remains cancelled for all purposes. So we do not have any land going by IR 172-788. From the foregoing, please note that the title numbers, as per our records, do not relate to any property within Kiambu County, and the purported search that is being floated as a title from Abbey House, where I sit as the Cabinet Secretary, does not exist in our records. My registrar for Ruiru gave me the entire information regarding those two parcels and those farms, meaning the Juja farm, 1976, and Githunguri ranching. Those two big blocks of lands belong to the people who bought, and they have valid titles for their parcels.